Welcome to Brainfeed magazine. From this article, you will learn about a village near Ooty which is famous for its unique type of silk. Let's get started. Udgamandalam, popularly known as Ooty, is more known for its picturesque hills, nestled in the beautiful Nilgiris, in the western Ghats. You would hardly believe it if somebody says that Ooty's neighborhood is also known for its fine silk fabrics. Yes, it is true. Sirumugai, a village neighboring Ooty, produces one of the most exquisite silk saris in the country. The Silk Saga. Amongst India's rich cultural traditions, silk stands as a symbol of timeless elegance. Amid the myriad of traditional silk varieties, one gem shines brightly: Sirumugai silk. India's penchant for silk dates back centuries, entwined with its vibrant history and cultural heritage. From the majestic Kanjivarams of Tamil Nadu to the intricate Banarsis of Uttar Pradesh, silk holds a special place in every Indian household, adorning brides, grooms, and deities alike. The origins of Sirumugai silk trace back to generations of skilled artisans who have perfected the art of silk production. Here, every thread tells a tale of dedication and passion. The Sirumugai craft. Skilled craftsmen delicately extract the fine silk yarn, which is the foundation of Sirumugai's exquisite weaves, known for their unmatched quality and lustrous sheen. Using traditional handlooms, craftsmen meticulously intertwine each thread, creating intricate patterns and designs that are a testament to their skill and creativity. Unlike its more mechanized counterparts, Sirumugai silk is woven on handlooms. This intricate process, passed down through families, instills each piece with a unique character and exceptional quality. In a class of its own, compared to other famous silks, Sirumugai offers a distinct appeal. It's known for its softness and lightweight feel, making it perfect for comfortable yet elegant drapes. Sirumugai often features simpler borders and intricate but delicate motifs and are adorned with nature-inspired motifs like paisleys and mango butta designs. The lighter weight of the fabric makes them perfect for everyday wear or for creating chic lehengas, skirts for special occasion. Supporting artisans. Encouraging Sirumugai silk weavers is not just about preserving a craft, it's about sustaining livelihoods and nurturing a cultural legacy. By supporting these artisans, we ensure that their skills are passed down through generations, keeping alive the rich tradition of silk weaving in India. As we admire the beauty of Sirumugai silk, let us also pledge to preserve and uplift the artisans behind this magnificent craft. That brings us to the end of this article. Here you learned Sirumugai, a village near Ooty, produces exquisite silk saris known for their unmatched quality and lustrous sheen. Crafted on traditional handlooms, Sirumugai silk features intricate patterns and designs, embodying the dedication and passion of skilled artisans. Sirumugai silk is renowned for its softness, lightweight feel, and delicate motifs, making it perfect for everyday wear or special occasion. We hope you liked this story. Stay tuned to Brainfeed TV, our YouTube channel.